Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can change the 3D print speed using the Creality Slicer. Now of course you can do this from the slicer itself or from your printer as long as you have the touch feature on the printer itself. Now to get started, you want to navigate through the Creality plate right here, and then you want to make sure to enable the advanced parameters in order to turn on some additional features or settings, and basically that includes the speed function. Now from here you then want to click on the speed category, and then of course if you want to make your prints faster, you want to modify this first layer speed, the first layer infill, and more. On default it will be set to 60 millimeters per second, and for the other ones like the outer wall you can just reduce this if you want it even faster. But this is really complicated if you don't know what you're doing, and basically there's another way to do this, which is to navigate through the device setting itself or to the device printer. From here you will be able to see your printers that have been connected to your Creality Slicer, and basically it will then look something like this. So inside this page it's just as simple as clicking on the printing speed, and from here you have your standard, which is 100%, the ultra pass, which is going to be 125, you have stable at 50, and the silent at 25. So once again you can just change this the way you want to, and also on the printer itself you will be able to edit it out by clicking on the normal button, and from there you then have the additional settings, which is you can set to silent or ultra fast. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.